Let's do a hotel room tour of the Sonesta Select located by Philly Airport.
This is one of their 2 queen bedrooms. Between the wall and the bed over here, they had a chair. I feel typically these chairs are closer to the window. However, this one was so close to all those outlets built into the headboard, which, by the way, I love all these USB ports built right in. This room definitely was the most convenient I've ever had for any hotel room when it came to charging devices. There was also plenty of light all around the room, and this desk was quite functional with easy access to an outlet. This TV was one of the larger ones I've seen, and down here they do have a fridge. However, the room does not have a microwave. They also have a coat rack over here, which was a unique feature. I'll admit I was weirded out that the door sign was taped up though. This vanity area was nice and bright, and the rest of the bathroom is in a separate room, and the bathroom had a shower and a tub. And then this was the closet, which was quite small but typical for airport hotels. This room was one of the most affordable options at $186 per night. Let me know if you'd stay here.